Creating a professional Facebook page can be an effective way to promote your brand or business online. Follow these steps to get started. 1. Set up a Facebook account or log into an existing one. 2. Click Create at the top of the page and select Page. 3. Choose the appropriate category for your page, such as business or brand. 4. Add your page details, including a profile picture and cover photo. 5. Fill in your About section with information about your business and what it offers. 6. Create regular posts with engaging content and visuals to keep your audience interested. 7. Utilize Facebook's advertising tools to reach a larger audience. 8. Monitor and respond to comments and messages from followers to build engagement. 9. Use insights provided by Facebook to analyze your page's performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. 10. Promote your page through other channels, such as your website or email newsletters. By following these steps, you can create a professional Facebook page that effectively promotes your brand or business and engages with your audience.